Yeah, newbie, now you're talking my language. Planting wine bottles to harvest wine.
Wine harvest?
Yeah, planting wine bottles to harvest wine. Look, I did an astrology chart, and it said that the moon is in Taurus or some retrograde shit like that. Either way, we're going to get big, beautiful grapes.
No, I'm planting wine bottles for...
Nice, newbie. You're making waterers for the plants. We'll fill them up with water and let the water sink into the ground.
No, that's not what...
Water? Who the hell needs water? Look, we're talking about a money-making opportunity here. Growing wine straight from the bottle. You can't grow wine from bottles, you grow wine from corks. Look, the almanac called for wine to be harvested at the exact time that her wine bottles are ready to be harvested, which means that newbie figured out how to plant wine bottles at the right time. So shut the hell up and let me enjoy my wine. Wine grows from corks. You plant the cork stain side into the ground, and that's how wine grows.
I'm not growing wine, I'm...
Shh. Don't let her take away your genius, honey. You're a bright star in this dark crayon box of a world.
Come on, let's replace those bottles with corks and get to planting.
These are my flower vases.
Your what?
My flower vases. I'm planting them so you can grow flowers into the vase and therefore you have flowers in a vase.
Who the hell told you flowers grow into upside-down wine bottles?